Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to detect the face picture quality, the pitch, roll and yaw of a picture or head of a picture using vision framework in Flutter iOS. So here is a quick output. Here you can see that I have this image loaded, and once I load this image I use the vision framework to detect the face picture quality. So here you can see the face picture quality was around 0.597, and then these three values which you see is the pitch, roll and yaw. So even I'm not really good at this. So the pitch, roll and yaw is basically like how like in which direction your head is tilted, and based on that it is calculated. I will show it to you for a few other images as well. One more thing which I want to tell you is you will have to use a real iOS device to run this particular output. You can't really use the simulator. Also, we can't use the image view from Flutter. We will have to use the native UI image view from iOS. So let's have a look at the code, and once the output is ready I will show it to you. Okay, the output is already ready. So here you can see that here now I will show some different image, and based on that it will capture the face picture quality, pitch, roll and yaw. So here you can see this is a different image, and it has predicted these all values. These are optional values, but you can unwrap them. So this logs is actually from Flutter side. Now I am running this via Xcode. If you want you can run it from the Flutter run command as well. That is perfectly fine. So let's have a look at the code. So here you can see this is our Flutter project, and I have just refactored this home page widget. So it is a stateless widget. Here I have taken a scaffold, a safe area, a size box, width and height is 300, and this is our custom widget for image view. So for that I have created a separate class. So here you can see this is the identifier for our image view because we want to embed the native iOS UI image view. And here you can see it is a stateful widget. This is a method channel which will help us to send the data of face picture quality, the pitch, roll and yaw back to Flutter side once it has detected from iOS side. That's why I have created a method channel. If platform is iOS, then only we are using this UI kit view. And here you can see that once platform is created, we set the method call handler and for this particular method, and once this particular method is called, then we will get the actual value. So I'm printing it in the console. Now here you can see for all other platform I'm just using a placeholder because I don't know how to do it for Android, because a vision framework is only for iOS specific. Then you will have to open the iOS XE workspace inside Xcode. I have already done that. Firstly you will have to go to your assets folder, and here you can add few images. So as you can see I have added few images. Then you will have to go to your project, go to here you will have to change the iOS deployment target to at least 15, as well as you will have to go over here, and here also in general you will have to change the deployment target to 15. Then go to app delegate, and here firstly you will have to register your view. So you will have to use the same identifier which you have used it on the Flutter side. And here you can see I have created this Swift file. So referencing this Swift file, so create a Swift file called my image view native view factory. As you can see I have created it over here. Now this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you have to embed a native iOS view inside your Flutter project. So you can just copy paste it. But the thing to note is here we are referencing another Swift file called my image view native view, and here I have created this my image view native Swift file. So here you can see we are importing Flutter UI kit as well as vision. We are creating our parent view, our UI image view. This is our method channel for sending data back to Flutter side. We are overriding this method. We are initializing our view, we are initializing our channel, then we are initializing our image view, adding it to our parent view, setting some NS layout constraints, and here we are loading our image from the assets folder. Now change this to whatever image you have added. Don't use my image name, otherwise you might get an error. And here we set our image to our image view, then we override this particular method to return the parent view, and here we do the assess face picture quality. So basically first we convert our UI image to a CG image, then we use VN detect face capture quality request, and here we create this VN image request handler. We perform that particular request, and here you can see I have created a helpful method just to get this observation results. And once we have the face picture quality, I'm sending it back to Flutter side. Here you can see these are optional values. Make sure you unwrap it, just like I have unwrapped this face picture quality. You can unwrap pitch, roll and yaw as well. but yeah, here you can see I'm sending these values back to Flutter side. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.